Good evening, everyone. I'm going to do a quick update on the markets using the ETFs, and I'm going to start with the SPIs, which follow the S&P 500. Um, this is daily chart, and this is the longer term uptrend line. Let me go ahead and move out to the weekly, so you can see this is a longer term uptrend line. This is the bottom of 2009, and let me go ahead and go back to the daily. Like you can see, we're bouncing off the bottom of this uptrend channel. Like you can see right there, uh, we have one right there, one right here, and now we're doing it again, or we did that a couple weeks ago, right over here. Okay. The one thing that I wanted to point out is the fact that we have broken out through this shorter term downtrend line, which is good. Uh, Although the volume it's a little low, but it's okay because um, what I wanted to point out is that this bounce right here, when that happened right there on the from the bottom of this downtrend line, we have massive volume, which told us that it was capitulation from the sellers. Okay, so what I wanted to point out was the when we bounce, every time we bounce right off this downtrend line, I'm sorry, this uptrend line from the uptrend channel, the stochastic got into the oversold area, and we had this massive move up. Now, on this pullback right over here, like you can see, we bounced off the moving average. The stochastic went down, didn't get to the oversold, but it came right back up to the overbought area, like you can see there, and we had our massive way up again. I think we're starting to do the same exact thing. We're starting to get into the overbought area again for the S&Ps, and I think we're going to be seeing higher moves. Okay, let's get into the Qs, which is the Nasdaq sector, and on the Qs, um, again you can see the movement or the bounce right off the uptrend channel right over here in this area. Okay, again we have, like you can see on the stochastic, we got into this oversold area. We came down to the moving average. The stochastic came down. The stochastic went back up with price, right back up to the oversold area. We had our next move up. Now we're doing the exact same thing. We bounced right off. We're bouncing off this uptrend line right there, and stochastic is taking little bit of time to get up back up there to the overbought area, but this indice is actually lagging a little bit behind, but that's okay. And I'll explain that in the next update on the IWM, which is the um, small caps. This is a weekly chart. I want you to see the fact that we bounce right off this uptrend channel again, once again, right? This is on the weekly. Let me go ahead and go to the daily, and we couldn't even get down to the to the uh, to the to the uptrend line right there, but we still bounced off. And not only we went ahead and made, or we broke out this downtrend line right there, but we have made new 52-week highs. So that means that the small caps is leading, which um, which is really good for the markets, for the perspective of what's going to happen in the markets later on. Like you can see, the MACD is starting to get really parabolic, so that's great sign. You had a bullish cross right there,